Tomorrow, 9/2024, Mike went out to play with Willie, but Willie went to a cave where Mike wouldn't find him. Willie tries to rest and accidentally becomes infected with the animal virus. When Akla killed Willie, infected, he made Willie's blood splash onto Akla's face, causing him to become infected, and little by little all the animals will become infected. The cave was located and destroyed, but the damage had already been done. Now humans can also be infected. The infected can be eliminated with fire. The cure is not yet known.